In this tutorial on SwiftData, we will create a mobile application from scratch using Swift UI. The primary learning objectives are as follows. First, we will learn how to store enumerations with SwiftData. Second, we will gather data using a Swift UI form presented in a sheet. Next, we will learn how to retrieve and display data from a database using a custom list layout. Next, we will explore how to pull random data using a function. Then, we will create reusable UI components that enhance the app development. And finally, we will learn how to validate form entries to prevent users from saving empty values in the database. By the end of this tutorial, users will be able to save their favorite movies for later watching. If this aligns with your learning goals, let's enroll in the course, launch Xcode, and start coding together.